Hey there, look at this USM Mathematics Olympiad question, and the question is, if x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 9 equals 9, then what is the value of x? So if you know the answer, pause the video and comment the correct answer, and if you know any shortcut formula, then also please comment the answer. So let's begin the video to solve this question. First, let's write the question. X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 9 equals 9. So first, arrange it in a solvable format, so which means x plus 3, x plus 9 comes here, multiplied by, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 7 equals 9. So we have written it in a more solvable format, more convenient format. Now that means x multiplied by x is x square plus 9x plus 3 multiplied by x is 3x plus 3 multiplied by 9 is 27 multiplied by x multiplied by x is x square, x multiplied by 7 is 7x plus 5 multiplied by x is 5x plus 5 multiplied by 7 is 35 is equal to 9. Easy? So this is the equation. So our logic is x square plus 3x plus 9x plus 27. This is x square plus 3x plus 9x equals 12x plus 27 multiplied by x square plus 12x, 5x plus 7x is also 12x plus 35. We can write 27 plus 8 equals 9. So what we have done, we have bifurcated 35, we have broke it down to 27 plus 8. Now let x square plus 12x plus 27, let this as t. Let x square plus 12x plus 27 as t. So in that logic, we can write that means this is t multiplied by, this is also t, and this is plus 8. So t multiplied by t plus 8 equals 9. Easy? So let's sharpen it more. Yeah. So that means t square plus 8t equals 9. That means t square plus 8t minus 9 equals to 0. So you can use this logic also. And now we can write it t square plus 8t we can write it plus 9t minus t, because 9t minus t equal be 8t minus 9 equals 0. So we can take t as common. So when we take t common, it will be like t plus 9. When we take minus 1 common, it will be t plus 9 equals to 0. So t plus 9 is common. So we can write t plus 9 multiplied by t minus 1 multiplied by t minus 1 is equal to 0. So in that logic, either t plus 9 equals to 0 or t minus 1 equals to 0. So in that logic, t plus 9 equals to 0 or t minus 1 equals to 0. So let's leave this part because it will be not a proper factor. So you have to put that formula of quadratic equation to get the answer. So let's solve this part only for the convenience purpose. Easy. So t plus 9 is 0, and what we know the value of t is x square plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 equals to 0. T is x square plus 12x plus 27 that we have already taken here. Yes, yes, x square plus 12 plus 27 is t. So let's move on. Yes, so we can write it. That means x square plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 is 36 equals to 0, and we can write it. That means x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 6 plus, we can write 36 as 6 square plus 0. So this is x square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So this will be x plus 6 whole square equals to 0. And if x plus 6 whole square is equal to 0, then x plus 6 will also be 0. Easy. If x plus 6 whole square is 0, then x plus 6 also will be 0. That means x is equal to minus 6. So let's check the formula. We have got x equals minus 6, and let's try to put it here. Yes, minus 6 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. X is minus 6 plus 5 multiplied by minus 6 plus 7. X is minus 6 and it's plus 7. Then minus 6 plus 9. Easy. So in that logic, minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 plus 5 will be minus 1 multiplied by minus 6 plus 7 will be plus 1 multiplied by minus 6 plus 9 will be plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will multiply to minus 9. 1 minus 1 will be multiplied to minus 1. So minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 equals 9. So x equals 9 here. So our value, the total answer that we have calculated at the last, what is that? X equals minus 6. X equals minus 6. So this is the correct answer. So comment if you know any shortcut formula or if you know any other answer, and I also request solve this part. T minus 1. What was t? T was x square plus 12x plus 27, and t, this was t minus 1 equals to 0. That means x square plus 12x plus 27 minus 1, 26 equals to 0. So what will be the answer? Solve this quadratic equation and comment the correct answer. Thank you very much.